How to reset OneDrive account. If you have been using the OneDrive application and want to learn on how to reset your account on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top left corner. Select it. Then here you can find settings. Tap on it. Then here you can find your account right here. Now select it. Then here you can find the reset account option right here. Tap on it. And after doing that, your account will be reset. And that's it. This is how you can reset OneDrive account. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.